last class? Anyone?
So you told us about that graph, how we represent 3D to 2D,
Yes, means
3D
projection
on
have
2D.
Projection.
projects projection have explained now. First angle of projection, second angle of projection,
Yeah.
then third angle of projection. I have told you. Okay.
Can you please repeat those things?
Okay. I will repeat that when it will come because you are going to use now. You are upset in that class.
No, sir. I actually cannot remember.
Cannot remember. I told you now, like when you are keeping your object in first quadrant and looking from the front and the top, there was a vertical plane, horizontal plane. What was the rule? Rule was horizontal will be vertical will be fixed, horizontal will move by
90
90
degree
degree.
clockwise.
Yes. So that you need to remember only. And rule will be same. It doesn't matter in which quadrant you are having your object.
So can you provide some written notes or some sort of material to look into?
For this, there is no note. You can refer book, but I think if you take book, then it will take more time. So whatever I am telling you at that only you take the note. That will be better.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And if you want, I will send you recording.
Yes, sir, please.
Recording
Yes,
is
so
there.
that would be very helpful. So thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all of you have received your laptop.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
None of us.
Do you remember this now? I've explained in last class. Vertical plane, horizontal plane,
Yes, sir.
or quadrant. I hope you remember this. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So that's it. So if you want, you can take. You have taken picture of this now. Okay. So today we are going to start lettering. Okay. Do you have any information when you are receiving your laptop? Any mail?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So today we will complete this exercise on paper. All of you have take one A4 size paper, and I will explain you in 1.5 hour, and then you will complete that, and I will provide you Google Classroom link. You will upload that. So this class is of 10 marks. Each seat, like here, we are having total 10 seats now. So this is your sheet one, exercise one, like lettering. Okay. So in lettering, what you will do, you will write 0 to 9 in 10 height. Then you will write engineering drawing is a language of engineer in 12 height. Also, you will write a quick brown fog jump over the lazy dog in height of 12 So like this. Okay. How you will do this, I will tell you. So why we are doing this? It is looking very funny, but whenever making any drawing, na, you are going to give some caption or some you are going to write regarding that. This like this drawing belong to this. Okay. So how you will specify? How you will give the details? Okay, you will write something on that below the diagram. So how to write that? There is some rule. Okay. So today only we are just measuring, but after that it will come practice, so no need to measure. Okay. So you can see now spacing between two letters. I have said, can you see? It is not shared, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wait,
No, sir.
Now it is shared.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll explain again. So you can see this is a today's exercise, lettering. So there are total three questions. Write 0 to 9 in 10 height. Then write engineering drawing is the language of engineers. Okay, in 12 heights. Then write a quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. So you can see like this. Okay, but you will not like this. There are some rule. I will tell you how to do this. Okay, so today we will complete this. As but there are some rule I will tell you. Spacing between two letters should be approximately 1 by 5 of height of letter, and space between words should be approximately 3 by 5 by height of letter. Lettering should be in plain and simple style so that it can be done freehand with speed. The ratio of height of width of letters should be approximately 6 by 5. There are some rules, and no need to remember all this thing like for all time. Today we'll just follow all the rules, and after that we can do it manually. Means it like you will, once you do this do this exercise, it will be very handy and you can do it. Okay, no need to remember all these things. The height of the letter of any word inside the drawing sheet, except the title block, should be more than 5 and all should be in black letter in HB pencil in single stroke letter. Right? Better you come here. Okay, you can see now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So how you will do this? So first question was what? First question was write 0 to 9. Na? So for that, what you will do? You take one line, right? Then another line. All of you can see this now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. This in A4 size paper.
Yes, yes. So I will tell you, you are going to write na 0 to 9. So height of this letter is what? 12 right? This is not 12. This is 10. First question. So first question is 10. Okay. Do you remember that question? Na? Like write 0 to 9 in 10 height. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose
Yes, sir.
you are starting from here. Okay. So width of one, like it can be, you can take it. You take it first. You draw here. I am drawing two lines. Just wait. See, what is this? This is like this one and this. This is 8 This is 8 And so in this you will write 0, right? You will write. I'm not doing properly, but you will do it properly. Like it should touch. Okay. So this is 0. Then you will leave 2 space. This is 2 This space is 2 Okay. Again, you will give spacing of 8 Okay. And then you will draw one line here, another line here. Okay. Another line here. So this is also of 2 So like this, it will continue. And what is this dimension? What is this dimension?
8 mm.
Hello?
8 mm.
8 mm.
8 mm.
Yes. So 1, again 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. But for this, see, I have done opposite. Okay, what you do? This will be done by 2H pencil. This line. Okay, and whatever writing, na, whatever you are writing. Suppose this is one, na, whatever you are writing, this should be done by which pencil? HB pencil. Okay, you know what is H and B?
No, sir.
Hard and
H,
back.
H stands for hardness. If 1H, 2H, 3H means hardness will increase. HB means hardness and brightness both will be there. Right? So I think you can do this now. This is very simple. Today's exercise is very simple. You can do this now. 0, then 8, again 8
Yes,
mm,
sir.
then 2, 3.
Yes,
All these exercise you will do in which paper?
A4.
A4 sheet. Okay.
So right now,
So,
we don't have A4 paper.
so you bring that. Okay. You can bring now. I will give you time. You can submit up to today. Today up to 8 p.m.
Okay.
Not,
Sir,
not
landscape
8.
or portrait?
No, in this only. Like it should be landscape only, not portrait. Okay.
So we need to
Like-
submit this in the Google Classrooms, right?
Yes, Google Classroom link. So next question you see now. Next question. I am sending you, just see one. I am sending you one question sheet, all the sheets that is in PDF. So all of you, B5 no.
Yes.
So see your WhatsApp group. I have sent one PDF. I hope all of you have received now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, there are some general instruction that we have discussed. Okay, come to the worksheet number 1. So you can see now question number 1, write 0 to 9 in 10 mm. So first we have completed now. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, there is another one. Right, engineering drawing is the language of engineers. Okay, and then there is a quick another one, na? You can see. So see, for that what you will do, like remaining 2 question, how you will do. See, I am doing. See, now I am doing correctly, properly. Like this is one line. See now this sentence will be written in height of sentence will be what? This was 10. And next question. This was the height of 10 mm. And what for second question?
12
mm.
Good. So this will write in height of 12 mm. Right?
Yes.
You can see. Why it is coming like this? Okay, see. So a quick, there is a one, a quick. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a quick brown. So I am telling just only one. So you can write second question also. So how to proceed for that? You can see. You can write A here. Okay. You can write not you see these things you will not write with scale. This should be done by freehand. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This should be done by freehand. Okay, since I'm using this digital pen, so that's not possible to draw properly, but you can do with pencil. Okay, so this is A. and this height is height is how much?
12
12 mm.
Well,
This is 10 mm. Hey, this you can take 10 mm.
Yes, sir.
See, every time when you will do the drawing, not you need to remember and measure. Just today you will do this exercise properly, and in remaining all the classes you can do by freehand, and it will be good. Okay. Next, this what is this gap? Here you take this gap 7 mm. How much? 7 mm.
7
Yes, means between two words you will take 7 mm. Okay, and between letters you can take 2 or 3 mm. Okay, it depends on you. So similarly again, here you draw one line. Okay, so here you will write what? Q, na?
Yes.
Yes,
I
sir.
will take another color. You can write Q. So you do it properly. You can do that. Okay. So like this, I think this is very simple exercise. Among all the sheets, this is very elementary and simple. So I have told you all for all the 3 questions. So all of you complete this now. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, like after Q, we will write U. So, how
You
much
you
should be there?
for here you between two words you can leave a space of 7 mm. After that you can leave a space of 2 mm or 3 mm. 2 mm you can leave.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, we'll draw this border also with free hands or with scale?
No, border you will draw with that. All this thing will draw with scale. Only whatever you're writing, A, B, C, D, whatever is there, na, that
Yes,
0,
sir.
1, 2, 3, that should be done by freehand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and whatever you're writing with freehand, that should be done by HB pencil. And all this border and all these things will be issued by this like this one will be 2H, and this one will be HB. Okay, I hope you can do that. This is very simple exercise. Already you have done. Okay, so today this is exercise, so all of you complete that one. Okay, because I think you are not having AutoCAD, so we will continue in paper only, and I will provide you Google Classroom link. Okay, so this class will be open, so all of you be there and switch on your video and start doing. Okay.
We have to switch on our video.
Yes, yes. Or you can keep like that, no problem.
So right now we don't have 2H or HB pencil.
Yes, sir, we don't. We also don't. Yes, sir, I have only HB pencil. Not
Yes,
the
sir.
2HB.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So is it fine if we do it only for today? If we do it with HB?
You okay? You can do that. You take this picture of this one first. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Can we
Yes, sir.
take any of our desired distances between the letters, or only 7 mm and 8 mm?
Yeah, you can take 6 mm, no problem. 5, 6, 7, but you can take up to 6, 7 is okay. See, I told you, spacing between two letters should be 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 of height. So 1 by 5 by 12 by 5 is what? 2.5, no?
Yes, sir.
So 2.5 means here you can take 2.5 or 3. So that's I've told you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the main reason I have told you. And spacing between words should be like A is separate word, quick is separate word. So spacing between two should be 3/5. So 3/5 means what? 7.5.
Yes, sir.
So you can take 7 mm. So like that I have chosen. If you go that in exercise now, sheet number 1, so you can see rule 1, 2, 3 is given. So like that you can go. So all of you complete now. Okay. So
Yes.
I will check. I am closing this meeting. So I will check this. I will check this at it is 12 now. I will take it at 2 o'clock. Right.
Like on a rough note, na, like, sir, because we don't have anything right now.
Yes, yes, you can do that on that. Like today, now you do on rough paper. After
Okay, sir. Yes.
after some time, what you will do? You will bring. You will buy. Who is that?
দেখলি তুই যে এখানে ভালো দেখিয়েছে বল, ওর ছোট ভাইকে পড়তে তো দেয়নি।
Bro, please mute your mic, bro. Hello.
I muted him.
Yes, sir. Sir, means after some time we have to take the A4 paper and
Yes, yes. Properly, you will do that. Then you will do it today only. Just
Yes, sir,
in
yes, sir.
class you can do now, and I will check it 1:30 or between 1:30 and 1:45. And by today evening up to 6 p.m. I will provide you the Google Classroom link, and all of you will upload that. Right?
So those who are doing laptops can do on the laptops.
Can you do? Do you have AutoCAD?
So we can download it.
Yes, you can, but most of the people are not having.
Sir,
most of
we
the
don't
students-
know how to do in AutoCAD.
Yes,
how to
yes, that's
process
what, that's I'm telling. Because most of you have not having laptop now. If I'm telling AutoCAD, you will not get it. So that is the problem.
Yes, sir.
So I will wait for next class. So today you will do this exercise in AutoCAD. Okay.
So we
Yes,
will
sir.
do all the 3 questions.
1, 2, 3. Question number 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will check between 1:30 and 1:45. Then I will take attendance.
Sir, now leave the meeting.
Yes, yes, you can leave.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, can you please share the PDF again because I just joined the WhatsApp group.
Some of you can share again. Okay, I will share. Wait, I will share.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I have shared. Yes,
So
yes.
at 1:30 will join again.
So we have to join again at 1:30.
Yes, you have to join. I will take attendance and I will check your what you have done. Okay. Some I
And
will
sir,
ask.
then we have to submit the final work by 8.
8. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So what? Okay. So all of you be ready and complete that. Means you cannot. You have to attend the class. Okay. It is better if you be there. I will not.
Between two words like
Yes.
a quick are the word.
Hmm.
So we left a space between them, or we just write as you write on the screen.
No. You like see. A is a word here, na? A is a word here because A quick. Okay. A is separate. Quick is separate. So between two word, it is 7 mm. Between two letter, it is you can take 2 mm or 3 mm. You can take 2 mm.
Okay.
I hope it is clear.
So
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
so we have to write the question also.
No need to write question.
So
Okay.
I have
Like-
A4 size paper and each pencil. Can I draw it directly the final one?
Yes,
Instead of
you
drawing
can.
2 times.
Yes. Those who are having, they can do a final one. So see here, you will write 1, like then question number 2, and then 3. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you do that, and better you be here. Okay, do not leave this meeting. Okay. And in between, I will ask to share you what you are doing.
Excuse me, sir.
What happened?
Sir, in the second one,
Yes.
it's like you use single stroke vertical lower and upper cases. So we'll have two sentences, right? One in uppercase and the other in lowercase.
No, you write only in uppercase. No need to write in lowercase.
Okay, sir.
Only uppercase.